One of my biggest pet peeves when coaching case teams is how most people present the SWOT analysis. They dump a laundry list of strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats onto a slide and think they're done. Judges hate it, and it doesn't help your solution at all. I've coached 300 QCAS game teams to over 180 podium finishes. The winning teams don't present SWOT. They use SWOT to generate real insights that directly support the recommendation and the alternatives. This is SWOT Masterclass in the Tools and Skills series. Let's fix how you build your SWOT and use SWOT so that it actually adds value instead of wasting everybody's time. Everybody knows the basics. Strengths and weaknesses are internal. Opportunities and threats are external. That's the easy part. Problem starts when teams just list everything they can think of and call it a day. That's not analysis. That's a data dump. Judges see it immediately, but it adds zero value to your story. The real power SWOT comes when you ask, what does it tell us? Don't just list the items. Convert each one into an insight that helps you build or support your solution. For example, on the internal side, strengths and weaknesses. A strength example is strong relationships with artisans in developing nations. The insight becomes leverage these relationships to develop new product collaborations and expand your offerings. And there are other examples on the slide. For weaknesses, reliance on a small core group of committed customers. The insight is use the strong community presence and social media strategy to grow and diversify that customer base. And again, there's other examples on the slide. When it comes to the external side, the opportunities and threats, the opportunity example is there's growing interest in ethical consumption. The insight is possibly positioning ourselves as a leading supplier of ethically produced goods and set new industry standards. And again, as in previous, there's some other examples on the slide. The threat example, the economic downturn reducing customer spending. The insight becomes leverage our community relationships, as we've identified previously, to limit the impact and maintain sales through targeted engagement. Again, as with there are other examples. The goal is to turn every SWOT item into something actionable that feeds directly into your alternatives and final recommendation. When you present SWOT, don't show the raw laundry list. Show the insights and how they connect to your strategy. Rank them by importance, highest impact first. Make it visual and concise. Judges then see instantly how these insights support your chosen solution. Remember, SWOT is not a standalone slide. It should feel like a natural part of your analysis that strengthens your entire story. There you have it, how to stop presenting useless SWOT lists and start using SWOT as a powerful tool that generates real insights and supports a winning solution. This is part of the Tools and Skills Masterclasses that complement the main 7-step case solution series. Drop a comment. What's the biggest problem you've had with SWOT in the past? Making the list or turning it into insights? Subscribe. Hit the bell so you don't miss the rest of the Tools and Skills series. Cam Welsh out. Go make your SWOT actually useful.